Hey guys, this is Jennifer Mason. I am here with your play of the week. If you've been paying attention to the Office 365 Message Center, you may have noticed that there was an announcement that came out that said in March they were going to, by default, set everyone's search experience to Bing when you installed the Office 365 using Pro Plus. Well, based on customer feedback, they decided to recant that decision. They're now going to hold off on making that decision, and they told us that more details will be coming soon. This is a great relief to many customers as they didn't want to just have that automatically happen. Now there's going to be a toggle switch where we have to go in and set that configuration, but don't worry, as more details come out, we'll have them for you. But for anyone that was in the middle of a planning phase for their Office 365 Pro Plus deployment, you no longer have to worry about that. That is not a change that's going to be coming. It just goes to show that Microsoft does listen to their customers on user voice in the tech community. And this is one of those changes that they put out a blog post. They put out something in the Message Center and said, hey guys, we're going to start doing this in 2 months. The community spoke and said, this is an awful decision. This is definitely not going to work for us. And Microsoft backtracked on their decision. So it goes to show you that if you go out and speak in the community, Microsoft does have a tendency to listen. So that's been our play of the week. If you have any questions, please be sure to schedule a feature review with Planet. Your learning strategist or your cloud strategist will be sure to reach out to you, talk with you, and help you through any of those questions that you have. I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.